This video is also brought to you by Dossier. If you'd like to try luxury perfume at a discounted fraction of the price, definitely you need to check out Dossier.co. Dossier recreates high-end luxury perfumes at a fraction of the price. Most perfumes, like your high-end, range from anywhere from like $100 to $300. Dossier ranges anywhere from $29 to $59. Two of my favorites I have here is the Citrus Green Apple, which is inspired by the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Women, and that perfume retails at about $82. This Citrus Green Apple is $29 off of Dossier, and you can also save an additional 10% off your order by using my code JessieMay, only one E. And then the next favorite one I have here is a Fruity Oak Mist, and that is inspired by Creed, Adventures for Her, and that one ranges from about $405. This one I have right here costs you $59, and again, you can save up to an additional 10% off your order by using my code JessieMay. When I say you can save an additional 10% is if you get 3 or more or 4 or more, either the more you get, you automatically get a percentage off your order, and you can add my code to that order and get that additional 10%. Not an affiliate code, just a tracking code. And another thing I will say about these scents is they definitely last all day, and unlike your high-end perfume, so I own the YSL Black Opium, that does not last very long. The Ambery Vanilla, or I believe they just switched it to Vanilla, that they have on the Dossier.co, which is inspired by the Black Opium, it smells honestly, I think a little bit better, but it also lasts all day. I don't have to reapply, and I get compliments 12 hours into the day, like, ooh, what are you wearing? Because that smells so good. Well, I highly recommend you check them out, especially if you love perfume and you hate that expensive price tag. If you absolutely love your perfume, guess what? They made their perfumes into candles. So you can check that out on their website. Your favorite perfume may be made into a luxury scented candle that just, the scent just fills the whole entire room. It's phenomenal. I do own a few of them. I don't have them here. They didn't make it to the move up to the cabin, our tiny house in the woods, but that's okay. But anyway, they do have candles that you could check them out, and my code will work for that, so you can get it up to an additional 10% by using my code JessieMay off of Dossier.co. Thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on today's video, and a huge thank you to you guys, because without you, I wouldn't have opportunities like this. Now, let's get back into designing our tiny house, because we need a lot of work here, so definitely also where I can save money, like on perfume, luxury items for me, so we can put more money into this place.